Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an e-commerce site with BigCommerce, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the BigCommerce website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Fill out the registration form with your details. Select a plan that suits your business needs. Once registered, log into your BigCommerce account. You will be directed to the dashboard. Start by choosing a template for your online store. Browse through the available themes and select one that fits your brand. Customize your chosen theme using the built-in editor. Add your logo, adjust colors, and configure layout settings. Next, go to the Products section in the dashboard. Click on Add a Product to begin listing your items. Input detailed product descriptions, including images and pricing. Organize your products into categories for easier navigation. After setting up your products, navigate to Store Settings. Configure essential settings like shipping, taxes, and payment gateways. Integrate with payment providers such as PayPal or Stripe. Then, set up your shipping options based on your business model. Once your store settings are complete, preview your site. Make sure everything looks professional and functional. Go back to the dashboard and click on Launch Your Store. Follow the prompts to officially publish your e-commerce site. Finally, promote your store using social media and email marketing. Monitor your store's performance using analytics tools provided by BigCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.